we learned a lot about the rehab just by being there a lot. And then we realized, we don't want to do this every day. We don't want to be here every day.
You don't want to be contractors.
We don't want to be contractors. We don't want to have to worry about the subs. We don't want to have to be running to Home Depot every single day, because I felt like every single day I would see all these Home Depot receipts coming in. Poor Larry was going back and forth.
I know that. I totally know that life, Larry. I totally do. So what is so awesome about this business is it can look however you want it to look. If you want to be there on site every day, great. Be there on site every day. If you want to do some of the work, great. Do some of the work. If you want to outsource as much as you can and have it more just running on its own, you can do that too. That's so beautiful. And I love that you tried it one way, realized, nope, not for me. This isn't going to work for us. And then you shifted and you're trying it a different way. And you're like, this feels so much more in alignment. That's the beauty. Like that's the whole point, is to just test things. Doesn't feel right. Doesn't work. Test something else.